Wow, PEPECOIN right now is the biggest memo coin in the market right now. At the time of recording this, PEPECOIN is the biggest memo coin. I'm not saying that the market cap or their trading volume or their community is bigger than Dogecoin, is bigger than Shiba Inu, is bigger than Floki Inu, but right now they are the hottest memo coin. Now, within the past 2 months, not even up to 2 months, they have hit over 5,000% already. Now, this coin in just 12 days, in 12 days, a memo coin was able to push itself to the top 100 crypto coins. At the time of recording this, they are ranked number 65, 66 coin with the highest cap. So tell me, this coin is not even up to 2 months old. Yes, it is not even up to 2 months old. This is just about 1 month and 10 days. A coin that was just launched about 6 weeks ago is now able to rank among the top with a market cap of over $650 million has been invested on this coin. 1 month, 2 weeks old crypto coin. Tell me, I believe in the next 1 year, wow, in the next 2 years, wow, PEPECOIN will definitely make a lot of people rich. PEPECOIN is now trading with about 5 zeros at the time of recording this. Don't be surprised this PEPECOIN will be killing out 1 to 3 zeros. That is about 1,000%, 10,000%, or 100,000%. Calculate that by yourself. With a $10 or $100 investment, you know the returns, huge amount of money. Sure, that is PEPECOIN. Right now, I believe this is the hottest memo coin right now. And I still know that Dogecoin is still number 1, Shiba Inu is still number 2, Floki Inu for me is still number 3, as I should be talking about PEPECOIN. But right now, I think PEPECOIN are now number 3 because they have taken over from Floki Inu. Of course, they are now ranked above Floki Inu. They now have communities are also increasing their market cap. So let's watch and see this coin within the next few months. Please remember, this is not a financial advice once again. Thank you for stopping by.